Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today is your birthday, and welcome to day 12 of Vlogmas. Mama's got some explaining to do. I really don't know what Christmas is all about. It is Sunday morning here though. I laid in bed until like 10 a.m. which was really lovely. It's 10:15 now. It's just on my computer working through some emails and stuff like that, but it was sort of lovely not having to wake up and edit a Vlogmas because obviously that has been my life non-stop. I'm gonna explain everything. I have to let you guys know this vlog is gonna be a little bit of a disappointing vlog. There's gonna be some stuff that I don't think you guys are gonna want to hear, and I apologize in advance. I hate disappointing you guys, I really do. But whatever, we can get into all of that stuff a little later. For now, I just like want to have my chai. Molly Cat's here, come here. I know! We're so excited to be back with each other. Oh. No? You don't want it? She's in a very hyper mood, so she does definitely not want to be held, right? Okay. Fine. Run off, little cutter. Connor just ran out to drop off some dry cleaning that he needs for this week since he's going away. I don't even think I've mentioned that to you guys, but he is going away for a couple of days. Our plan for the day is just, obviously it's a Sunday, so it's going to be very chill. I do have a little bit of work that I want to catch up on this morning, so that's what I'm going to be starting with. And then Connor and I have to go gift shopping for a little nuggo who we need to buy a little cute outfit for. Talk to you more about that later. And then I think we're gonna grab some lunch. So anyway, that is sort of what the start of our day is looking like. Should be very chill. I'm very much looking forward to it. While our coffee brews though, I want to open up this box that I got here from Swoon, which I am so excited about this, you guys. I cannot even tell you. Can't wait to talk to you about Swoon. Cannot wait. So I actually tried Swoon for the first time, oh, I wonder what this is, over Halloween, and I was absolutely obsessed. Morgan introduced them to me. Oh, this is such a cute little box in here. So they basically create all of like your sort of favorite drinks, lemonade, stuff like that, but with 0 grams of sugar, and they're sweetened from monk fruit, which is much better for you. Sorry, Molly really does have the spritz, I told you guys. And they make the most amazing chasers ever, or like mixers, chasers, whatever. They're just so good. Ooh, look how cute this is. Oh, someone's ringing our doorbell. Thank you. Just a gift that I ordered for Connor, so we're not gonna open that right now because he watches the vlogs. So anyway, whew, I am so excited for this, you guys. So how cute is this little box? It looks like we have a bunch of ginger lemonade in here. Are these all ginger? I think so, yes. Which I tried this one on Halloween and it was so good. So let's see what this says. 0 sugar, sweetened by monk fruit, 100% of your daily vitamin C, low in calories, and nothing artificial. Not that, listen guys, I just want you to know, I did not like love these because they're 0 sugar, low calories. I do not care about stuff like that. I don't think I need to tell you guys that. But they just tasted amazing. So that other stuff is really just a bonus. It says it's 5 calories. It's awesome. And then let's see what is in this guy here. Oh, am I feeling some candle PR? You guys know how I feel about candle PR. There are matches sitting up here and it smells good. Oh, candle PR. So cute. It says spice to meet you, Swoon. So there you have it. That is our package from Swoon. Okay, going to get some work done here. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy, but I just have a couple things that I want to catch up on, sort of clear out my emails before Monday. That way everything is fresh, responded to, ready to go. I did get this in the mail and already opened it, so sorry about that, but totally forgot to haul it for you. Just picked up another new notebook just because mine is almost done already, you guys. When did we start this notebook? May 13th of 2021. So we just picked up the exact same notebook again. This time I got it in black just for, I don't know, a little switch up. It's literally $2 cheaper if you get it in black, and I don't care what color it is, so there you go. How cold was it while you were out there?
On the bike it was chiller.
Oh, it's locked. This stupid door, I have to like push my body weight against it just to open it. Oh my God, I'm so bright. Yeah, no, it's way too cold for what I'm wearing. I definitely need a warmer jacket. Okay, look at us out on a Sunday. Not so bad. We're not going to the market today, by the way, just because we leave in just a few days. So no point in really getting stuff. We have some food at home that we need to finish still. So we are going out. Our first stop is going to be this little baby store near our place, where they have really cute little things. I've never been in there, but it always looks cute through the windows.
We got a fun new announcement for you guys.
Later today, we're going to be popping over to Connor's cousin's house, and they have 2 kids, so we picked out some gifts for them. Won't be bringing my camera or anything. We're just going over there real quick, just grabbing a drink, seeing the kids before the holidays, and then we'll be back home. Shouldn't be too bad. So we're going to be doing that first. Oh God, so many bugs. I hate this. And then we are going to find somewhere to have some lunch. Totally undecided exactly where we're going, so keep you guys in the loop. All right, this is where we're going. Let's check it out. Hello. So many cute little outfits in here that we are obsessed with.
Right?
It's gonna be hard to decide. Like this little jumpsuit
I love
moment.
this one. I think this one might be my favorite.
And this little frosty sweater I like dye over, but they don't have it in her size, so that's okay. Oh, everything in here is so cute. Look at these little tiny baby leggings. My heart. Okay, picked up some really cute little things. That store was adorable. We could have spent like so much money in there. So adorable. And sorry, it's so loud. Anyway, we're walking to lunch now. I'll show you everything that we got when we go home. Thank you very much. So for lunch, we decided to try something new. We were sort of in the mood, and this place called Crudo y Nundo, which is sort of across from that baby store we were just at, we have been wanting to try since we moved to Santa Monica and haven't yet, which is so crazy because it's right up our alley. So finally we're going for it, and I think we are about to have a meal, you guys. I am very excited. So I have to show you what we got first.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Show them girls, yeah. The constant TikTok references. So we got caviar nachos, which reminds me so much of literally what we just recreated, which was the potato chips and caviar, obviously. Oh, here comes our next thing.
First 2 of your trio, Kampachi with yuzu and calamansi, rockfish with batarga made from the rockfish roe, mandarin oil, and white soy.
Awesome.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You guys. Okay, caviar nachos, and then obviously he just explained these for us, so that's good because I would not be able to explain it as well. Oh, I am pumped.
Cheers, my love.
Cheers.
I love that these are like $16 and regular nachos are $15.
I know. Oh my God, that is amazing.
Should we try one of each first?
Okay. Oh, that is so good.
Wow.
We're gonna become addicted to this place. It's gonna be a problem.
This is insane.
It's so good. Okay, grand finale. He just explained what this is, and I could not repeat it back to you. Never tried anything like this before, but I'm sure it's gonna be absolutely amazing and delicious because all of our dishes have been so far, so.
Can you listen to my adventure girl? This girl used to be a picky eater, long before I met her.
Yes.
Long before,
But
come on.
Can you believe I'm eating this?
No idea what it is.
Mom and Dad, if you're watching. Cheers. So we're back home, and I wanted to show you the goodies that we picked up for the kids because it's so cute. So there's 2 of them, 2 girls. It's Isla and Georgia May. Isla's a little bit older, and then Georgia May's more like baby. So we obviously asked what they were into because I was like, I have no idea how to shop for kids. I was so stressed picking out these gifts because I obviously wanted it to be something that they really like and will use, especially Isla, obviously, since she's older. Georgia May, we just bought her a little outfit. For Isla, we got this really cute ballerina doll because apparently she's really into ballet right now. So cute. Comes with like a little ballet outfit and then like a little sweatsuit moment, like what she would wear going into the studio before changing into her ballet outfit. You guys get it? Very, very cute. I think that she's really gonna like this. At least I hope so. We shall see. So got to that, and then from that little store that we popped into, which was so cute, I could have bought everything in there, seriously. We got this little jumpsuit for Georgia May. They were like, please get her clothes because she only wears Isla's hand-me-downs. Cute little striped jumpsuit. This is like, I think, like fits her perfectly and will definitely, like I think her parents are really gonna like this too. Babe, somehow we ended up grabbing the 6 to 12 month one instead of the 18-month one.
Well, yeah, give that to me. It's literally right across from the Jameson.
Yeah, totally. Hopefully they still have the 18-month one. Connor will go take care of that. But will be very cute. And then we also just got this little book, which I thought would be good for both of them. It's so cute. It's like a little pop-up book. I used to love these when I was a kid, so I think this will be good for both Isla and Georgia May. There you go. So I'm going to wrap up this book and the doll. I'm thinking of just putting the outfit into a little gift bag anyway, so that will work out because we don't have to spend a ton of time wrapping it. Okay, these two gifts wrapped and ready to go, looking so cute. Connor just went out to grab a quick beer with Becker because I think it's sort of like their last time they'll see each other before the holidays. So they just wanted to grab a drink. I was supposed to go meet up with them, but now I'm not feeling like it at all. So I think I'm going to enjoy the little couch time here. And actually, while I wasn't vlogging yesterday, Connor and I got a new TV. Very fun, just like a little, we split it just as a like sort of joint gift to each other. We've been wanting to upgrade our TV because ours was not great. So we got a Samsung TV. I will try to link it down below if I can, if you're interested. But we have really been enjoying it so far. The quality is so much better, the picture quality, the sound quality, overall, just better. So there you go. And I am really behind on like tons of my TV, so probably throw on some reality something. Just feel like having a little drink, so I'm gonna have one of my sparkling watermelon juices. This lighting is interesting, eh? We need to fix that. Okay, that is slightly better. Hello, everyone. Been maybe like an hour and a half since I checked in with you, and Connor and I are going to get ready to head over to his cousin's in a little bit here. So I just sort of wanted to touch base with you because, as I said, I will not be bringing the camera. I may try to get like a quick clip of the kids opening the presents on my phone, but I'm not gonna like put the kids on my channel, obviously. So yeah, more than likely I will just check in with you guys when I get back. But I did really quickly just want to download with you on a few different things because I just got off of FaceTime with Tara, so I have some stuff to update you with there. But first I wanted to talk about why I didn't upload a vlog yesterday. Honestly, I just was feeling burnt out, felt like I wanted a break. It was the last day that me and my friends were going out before everyone leaving for the holidays. We were just doing a bit of day drinking. It just wasn't like even a super vloggable day in general. And on top of that, I wanted a break and just to enjoy myself and enjoy some time with my friends. So I know that you guys are chill, like all of you have commented, don't worry if you need to miss a day, so I really appreciate that, and I knew that you guys would be totally cool with it, and it has rejuvenated me so much, I can't even tell you. It was so needed. So sorry, I just feel like this is going to be a Vlogmas where we're just not gonna get every upload happening, you know? It's just not gonna be one of those years. I feel like some years I do it, some years I end up skipping a day or two or more. So thank you guys for understanding. I hope that you're still obviously enjoying all of the Vlogmas content. So that is that. Now on to this stuff with Tara. This is just, I feel like there's just so much disappointing news in this vlog. I feel really bad about it. Like, I guess you guys, it would have been more that you were disappointed yesterday that there was no video, but that was my explanation for that. I guess I just need to like come out and just say it, and then we can go into why. Tara and I have decided not to upload our truth or drink video. I am sorry. There are quite a few reasons why. I know that we've been like dragging this out for so long, and so I feel really bad about this because, you know, I know back when I said that we were holding it until Vlogmas, I was like, but don't worry, it will definitely go up during Vlogmas, and I really did think that that was true at the time. But obviously it didn't work out that way. There's just a few reasons why. First of all, it was sort of a juicy video that we filmed, to be honest, and when we were looking back at the footage, we were just like, this is not us. Like, I do not talk about juicy shit on my channel ever, you know? Like, the fact that I would be like talking about other people, sometimes in a less than kind way, even if it was true, it just like made me uncomfortable. It made Tara feel uncomfortable, and ultimately we were just like, is this really worth putting online, even if it's going to get a lot of views? Like, is it worth it at the end of the day to sort of sacrifice what we feel comfortable with and who we feel like we are? And the answer there was definitely a definitive no. We had been going back and forth about this for really since the start of Vlogmas, and we're really conflicted about what to do, and there were ways of editing it to make it like a little bit more chill, nicer. But then, like, it's not juicy, and let's be honest, like, people come to a Truth or Drink for juicy information. It's fair, we all tune into them, but it doesn't mean that I want to spill the juice, the tea. I don't know. So I just feel like that was sort of the main reason in general. We have sort of thrown around the idea of filming another Truth or Drink or a different kind of like two-parter video for our channel. So if you guys have any ideas of what you would want to see with something like that, let me know. It just didn't feel right at the end of the day for us to do that. So I'm sorry, I've been getting so many questions of people asking when it would be up. We made such a big deal about it and talked about it so much, and so I feel like I'm really letting you guys down or disappointing you that we decided not to release the video. But at the end of the day, we had to do what was right for us, what we felt was right for our channels, for our brands, etc. And not uploading the video was ultimately the right decision for us. So I am really, really sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. I know this is really disappointing news, but I hope that you are not too upset. And I guess that's really all I can say about it. Tara and I went back and forth about this a lot today, and as I said, throughout Vlogmas, and just ultimately we were like, it's the right thing to not upload it. So that is the deal. Thank you guys for your understanding. Hopefully, I guess I'll see what your reaction is tomorrow. But I know that you guys will be overall pretty chill about it, because you always are. That's my news. I'm sorry. I did just sort of want to get this out of the way. That way you guys knew what was up. And Connor should be home any minute now, and we are about to head out. He was able to exchange the little outfit that we got for George and May to the right size, which is great. So crisis averted there. I'm so excited to see the kids and see them open it. It's gonna be a really fun little night. So yeah, I guess I will probably just check back in with you guys when we get home and figure out like what we're doing for dinner or for the rest of the night. It's a Sunday, so it's gonna be pretty chill. You guys know the drill. Long time no chat, guys, but we are back home now. It is 7:30 and we are just working on dinner, doing sort of separate things. I'm gonna make some ramen. Connor wanted to make some spaghetti, so yeah. But the time at Connor's cousin's house was so much fun. It was so fun seeing the kids, and
presents were a hit.
Oh yeah, Isla loved her present, so very, very happy about that. I was obviously very nervous, but she was obsessed right away, so very pumped about that. And yeah, overall just a fun,
wholesome day.
Very wholesome day, agreed. I think the rest of the night will probably just be eating and watching something. Yeah. What do you think we should watch tonight?
I don't know.
All right, my ramen is pretty much complete. Good to go. It looks delicious. I have my bowl ready with ice cubes at the bottom to help cool down the broth so I can eat it a little bit faster, because you guys know how hot ramen gets. This looks delicious. Okay, friends, it is the end of the night here, or just about to be. I figured I might as well end the vlog because there's not much else going on. Ramen was delicious, and Connor and I actually decided to finish the grate tonight, and oh my god, the ending was so good. So intense. I am dying for more. I can't believe, I mean, who knows when the next season will be out. It's insane. I'm so excited, but great show. Highly, highly recommend. It's so entertaining. And yeah, it is Sunday night, so Connor and I are definitely trying to take it more easy. So I just came in here because I want to watch an episode of Love Island before I go to sleep. Connor just was going to watch like a couple episodes of 30 Rock or something like that. So that is the deal, and this is where I end the vlog. Thank you guys in advance for being so cool and understanding with some of the stuff that we talked about today. Really appreciate it. I really hope that you guys are not too upset, because I know that it really is some bad news, but I promise I'll make it up to you guys some way, one way or another. And that is the deal. So thank you for watching today, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.
So I'm offering